How to delete scheduled posts on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right. In here, you'll find different options. Simply scroll down till you find scheduled content and click on it. After that, you'll find all the scheduled content. Select the content you want to delete. Then at the top right, you will find three dots. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. In here, click on delete, which is the last option. After you do that, press on delete again and it will be deleted. This is how to delete scheduled post on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.